Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to withdraw your money from future markets. And right now we are here at trading account, so we can click right here on trading accounts, and then you will find here your live account if you click on live. And then what we're gonna do is click right here on fund now, and then you will see right here a transfer or a withdrawal. Now you can also transfer from account to accounts. And we are interested right now here in a withdrawal. So once you have money standing on your account, you select right here your trading account, and then you click there on continue. And then when you will do that, you will see exactly the same as what we will see right here. And then you can select how you want to withdraw your money from your account. I don't have any money standing on a trading account right here. So for now, it's not possible to go further, but this is the place how you can withdraw your money from future markets. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.